Hello students, today we will be doing the fourth chapter, that is good habits. As we have done the exercises of the previous chapters, so I'll be continuing with the fourth chapter. So in this chapter we will be studying about some good habits and some bad habits which we should not do, and good habits we should follow every day. So I will read out the lesson for you, and if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in the online class, and we will be doing the exercise also in the online class only. We should acquire good habits. That means we should follow good habits. We should acquire means we should keep in ourselves. That should be within us. Okay, we should not develop those habits which are harmful. By harmful you mean the bad habits. We should not develop in ourselves. We can harm ourselves and we can be bad to others. Now, some good habits to follow every day. Now these are the good habits that you have to follow every day. We must wake up early in the morning. We must obey our parents. We must obey our teachers. We must pray every day. We must help needy. We must be attentive in class. We must follow the rules. Always do what is right. Always speak the truth. Always keep your surroundings neat and clean. Always keep your mind sound and steady. Always keep your body clean and tidy. Be courteous to all. Be kind to the poor and the old. Be kind to animals. So here we have read out some good habits. Now these habits we have to follow every day in our life. They are very useful for us. Like you have to get up early in the morning, that you do, and obeying your parents, obeying your teachers, we have to obey them. Okay, and then we have to be very kind to the poor and the old, because old people, they need help, so you have to be very kind to them. And animals, you don't have to hit them, you don't have to tease them, just be kind to them. Okay, now these are some bad habits which you should not follow. First, speaking lies, fighting with others, hurting others, talking in the class, cheating and stealing, plucking flowers, teasing animals. Okay, now these are some bad habits which you should not follow in your life. Only the good habit you will follow, not the bad one. So now you have seen what are the bad habits. Now these are given in the book. Now I want you to realize in your life, whatever small bad habits you are doing, you should not follow them. Like abusing also, some things are not given here, but you should understand what is a good habit and a bad habit, and you should not follow the bad ones. Now you have come to know the difference between the bad and the good. So I hope you all will understand the good habits and the bad habits, and not to follow the bad ones, and then you will be a very good student, you will be a very good person, everyone in your surrounding will like you. Then you can always teach your younger ones. You might be having your small brother or sister, then you can help them out also, being nice to them, not always teasing them, no? So you have to be nice to them also, and if you are nice, if you are good, then you will always be good only, and people will love you. So moral of the value is, we should always practice good habits. So we have seen here the good habits, right? These are the good ones, so we have to follow them only. Okay, now you keep your surrounding neat and clean. Now some students, what they do in class also, they will tear the paper, they will throw here and there, and your sharpener also, your pencils, no? So you don't have to do all that. You have, in your school, you have to keep your classrooms clean, and when you go back home, you have to keep your surroundings clean, so that whenever somebody comes, they will see how nice your place is. Then they will always tell you that you are good, they will always love you, your elders will also love you. So we should always follow the good habit. Now if you have any problem in this chapter, if you want to clarify something, you can always say it in the online class. Whenever we have online class, we will discuss about the problems and difficulties in the chapter. And the exercise here, first you do by yourself, try doing it, and if any problem, then we will do it together in the online class only. In the book only we will do, but not here. We will do in the online class. We will discuss and do the chapters, right? So for today only this much. Otherwise, you once read the chapter. When you see the video, you understand the words also, and you will read the chapter by yourself. Okay? You will read all the good habit and the bad habit, and I will ask you in the online class. Then you have to tell me. You must read everything, you must understand and follow. Okay? For this much, you have to start reading, and then you will learn. The spellings also you should learn, and every point. The good habits, how many points are there? Learn everything. Okay? For today, we will do only this lesson. Your chapter 4 we have finished today, and we will discuss in the class also. Okay?